Hey guys, so the Android 13 Beta 1 just went live and all I can say is this OS will put iOS to shame in terms of design. So yeah, there are tons of new changes and you guys can install it right now on any Pixel device or non-Pixel device, so official or unofficial GSI. The installation video is coming in a few days, so make sure to like and subscribe. So some massive interface changes. The now playing music now shows a squiggle like progress bar in the lock screen and quick settings panel. Yes, something we saw in the initial Material You promo. So yeah, you can say they are slowly applying this new design and this is not just a basic finish. You guys can see it is moving like waves. The second change is yes, finally we now have over 16 basic and 16 wall based colors to pick from for the accent. Best part is the basic color palette now shows two-tone finish so that you guys can get an idea what will be the main and secondary color in there. This is something awesome guys, you can have colors you want. The A13 OS now has a clipboard overlay editor, something like the screenshot editor, and I always wanted this change cause with this you now can copy and then you can edit, check and share that text. So nice to see perfection in there. The Pixel launcher is back using basic Google search app and here there are some small UI changes here and there and the animations are now more smooth. Some hidden changes found by Mishal Rahman. Face unlock is finally coming to Pixel devices and this is how the interface is gonna look like. So I guess using AI and Titan M2 security chip they can make the face unlock more secure. Second hidden change, Pixel devices is finally getting switch between QHD and Full HD option. The Pixel 6 Pro is stuck at QHD, so finally guys, for those who want to use 1080p and save some battery, that option is coming soon. Spatial audio is coming to Pixel devices too, so I can see Google is literally pushing all features they can in this OS. Here are some small changes. Do not disturb is back and that's how it should be. Tiramisu aka logo can be seen when devices connected to PC and smart home devices can be controlled when your phone is locked. So awesome new changes in the A13 Beta 1. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.